What is machine learning and how does it work? Imagine that we have a collection of houses with known features such as size, number of bedroom, location, etc. But we don't have the price. If we had it, would it be our label? Let's say that we need to find a way to categorize the houses in three groups. Take in account the possible price. So the categories means three-level price where we have a low, medium, and a high. We can solve this by use cluster algorithm, and at the end we will have collection of house in three clusters. Cluster with a low, medium, and high price. We will call this unsupervised learning. Imagine that now we include price in the collection of house and the price will be the label. Using algorithm, we can instruct machine to learn from this dataset and predict the price of future houses that we only have features. This is called the supervised learning. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that allows computer to learn from data and improve their performance over time. We can improve the machine learning performance and accuracy through experience and exposure to more data. Machine learning uses algorithms to analyze data, identify patterns, and make predictions. There are two main types of machine learning: supervised machine learning and supervised machine learning. Supervised machine learning is when a model gets trained on a labeled dataset. Label a dataset have both inputs and output parameters. Here, algorithm learn to map points between inputs and correct output so that can predict output of a new input. Two main categories: classification and regression. Classification, for example, we can classify a mail as spam or not. Example of algorithms: logistic regression, support vector matching, random forest, decision tree, k-nearest neighbors. Regression: predict continuous target variable, for example, price over the years. Example of algorithm in regression: linear regression, polynomial regression, decision tree, random forest. Unsupervised learning. In this technique, the algorithm discovers pattern, relationship, similarity, or cluster using unlabeled data. Unsupervised machine learning can be used for various purposes, such as data exploration, visualization, dimensionality reduction, and more. There are two main categories of unsupervised learning: clustering and association. Clustering. In the clustering, we group data points into clusters based on their similarity. This technique is useful for identifying patterns relationship in data. Here are some clustering algorithms. K-means clustering algorithm, mean shift algorithm, principal component analysis. Association. In this technique, we discover a relationship between items in a dataset. By doing that, we identify rules that indicate the presence of one item implies the presence of another item with specific probability. Some of the association rules are learning algorithm: a priori algorithm, a class algorithm, FP growth algorithm. Example of supervised learning application: image classification, identify object, faces, and other features in image. Natural language processing, extract information from text such as sentiment, entities, and relationship. Speech recognition, convert spoken language into a text. Recommendation system, make personalized recommendation to users. Qualitative analytics, predict outcomes such as sales and stock price. Fraud detection, identify fraudulent transaction. Autonomous vehicles, recognize and respond to objects in the environment. Email spam detection, classify email as spam or not spam. Credit scoring, assess risk of borrower defaulting on a loan. Example of unsupervised learning application: clustering, group similar data points into cluster. Anomaly detection, identify outliers and anomalies in data. Dimensionality reduction, reduce the dimensionality of data while preserving its essential information. Topic modeling, discover latent topics within a collection of documents. Business decision, machine learning can help companies make informed decisions to streamline their operation. This is important because it can help companies optimize their operation and find new ways to reduce their workload. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.